It's a blue color, vibrating. See, your throat chakra is balanced. Now, focus on your heart chakra. Your heart is expanding. The color of heart chakra is green. Your upper body is fully relaxed. Now, focus on your sacral chakra, solar plexus chakra. It is 3 fingers above the navel. Now, focus your solar plexus sacral chakra. And now, take a full attention on your root chakra, having a very bright red color light, and it's balancing. When you inhale, just imagine inhale a red color light and it passing through from your each and every chakras and filling the red color chakra, root chakra. Take a deep breath in. Feel the divine energy entering in your body. You feel safe, protected. Your whole body is healed. Now, repeat after me. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. And I love you. Imagine yourself a strong ascent tree, tall, grounded, and powerful. Visualize your feet slowly transforming into a thick, strong roots. These roots being to grow deep into the earth, layer by layer, passing through the soil, rocks, crystal layers, anchoring you securely to the ground. You feel so grounded. With every breath, feel your connection to the earth and the growing stronger. Now become aware of any fear and insecurity or anxiety that you may be holding. Feel the incident where you feel you have a fear. Feel it in past कुछ हुआ है, in relationship, in money issues, in career में, health में, you feel insecure. You have an anxiety. Feel it. Bring deep dive in these memories. When you accept it, easily able to release it. Feel that incident where you feel unwanted, insecurity, financial unstable. Feel it and put your hand on your heart and rotate your chest part and say to the memory, dear memories and dear feeling of insecurity and the fear, instability, thank you so much showing up. Just because of you, I am able to release it, heal it and clean it. Thank you so much, dear fear. Just because of you, I get a chance to connect with my divine self. I reach my own Shangri-La. It's a beautiful house within you. It have everything what you want. As you release this layer, you reach one step toward to your divine self. So thank you so much, dear insecurity, dear incident, dear people, for coming in my life and showing me. And because of you, I am able to heal myself. I am able to connect this journey. Visualize the emotions are gently flowing down through your body, moving into your roots. Feel it. The stuck emotions are moving from your body and dissolving into the earth. Earth absorbs the healing energy. They are neutralized, transformed into the strength and stability and safety. Imagine this black color energy are transforming into the red color, into the white color energy. Neutralize it. Feel the warmth of the earth rising up through your roots, nourishing you, grounding you, and protecting you. Your root chakra filled with a red color light. Now imagine आपके रूट चक्रा में लोटस check के petals है, and as you repeat this beautiful prayer along with me or just listen with me, just imagine all the stuck energy, all the money related issues are moving from your life. Everything is possible. You can imagine you bring a new thought in your life and it happened truly. So just imagine it and focus on your root chakra. As I repeat this Ho'oponopono mantra, you just focus on your location of your root chakra, lower back, and imagine the all stuck energy are moving through your roots and dissolving into the earth. Energy cannot be created, cannot be destroyed. Just convert into the one form, into the another form. जो आप दूसरों को सेंड करोगे वही मिलेगा. सो ये स्टक एनर्जी है, हमें अर्थ को सेंड करना है न्यूट्रलाइज करने के लिए. Say and say, I am safe, I am protected, I am grounded. And say, I am sorry, my dear root chakra, for holding fear, lack, and mistrust on you. Please forgive me for believing in scarcity and insecurity. Thank you so much for this lesson, for awareness, and for the healing. And I love you to my dear root chakra, to the money, to the earth, to myself. And repeat this powerful Ho'oponopono prayer with deep intention of the healing the root chakra and the feeling of insecurity, instability. I am opening my all the portals. Dear Divine, I take 100% responsibility of my life. What is in me, what memories, what data, I don't know. कहाँ से issues आ रहे. Now I appeal to you to come within me and wash out all the fear and instability right here, right now. You focus on your root chakra. You imagine these issues are moving and dissolving as I repeat this beautiful Ho'oponopono prayer. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. And I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. And I love you. Repeat it while focusing on your specific root chakra issues you want to address, such that feeling of insecurity, fear, lack, and instability. I take 100% responsibility, 100% charge to heal, harmonize, and balance the energies in my root chakra, for releasing any memories, data, thoughts, beliefs, and emotions that block my root chakra, create a sense of danger, even simple fear you have, fear of anything, snake, fear of दूध अगर उबल जाने का फियर है, सिंपल सा फियर आपका ब्लॉक करता है. सो एनी फियर आई एम रेडी टू रिलीज इट. फियर फॉर माई सेल्फ, fear about my loved ones. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. And I love you. I let go. I let go. I let go. I appeal to the divine energies to enter into my being and wash over all the memories in me, in deep cellular level, that blocks my root chakra, and place it. Focus all the negative energy are dissolving into earth. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. And I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. And I love you. Dear worries, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. And I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. And I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. And I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. And I love you. As you repeat this prayer, imagine the lotus flower, the petals of lotus flower is opening slowly, slowly, and it's balancing. The color of this lotus has become a red and shining. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. And I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. And I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. And I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. And I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. And I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. And I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. And I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. And I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. And I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. And I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. And I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. And I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. And I love you. Imagine the root chakra is balanced, energy flowing this root chakra from your whole 7 chakras, your body. You feel so light, relaxed, your body is healed, and I release all my fear, of not having enough. I am open to receiving abundance from all directions. I am financially supported by the universe. My needs are always met. I deserve to feel safe, stable, and secure. Me and my loved ones see the faces of your loved one, your spouse, your husband, your wife, your children, your mother, father, or anyone you love. Everyone is safe and protected. Feel the energetic circle around them. Money flows to me easily and peacefully. I forgive myself and my ancestors for any fear around the money. Now, if anything that you carry from your ancestors, your great 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 grandmother, great 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 granddaughter, great 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 grandfather, nana nani, जो भी है, if you recognize the pattern in your family, अगर आ रहा है it's okay, नहीं आ रहा है it's always okay. Just simply say to whatever I attract from my in-law, from my generic pattern with my grandfather's grandmother, great grandfather, great grandmother, both sides. If you remember the faces, try to visualize them and imagine the connection between your grandfather, grandmother, and you is a cord. It exchanged past the generational trauma within you. Even if they failed, the financially unstable, insecure, always fearful, always doubtful, it passes on you through DNA. You are the generational breaker, you are the trauma breaker. Now just imagine all this trauma are connected within you and your grandfather through एक small धागे से या एक वायर से आपके बीच का कनेक्शन है. Just imagine it having a black color wire connecting with you and your ancestors. Just say to the divine, dear divine, I appeal to you. Those are ancestors' trauma that not longer serve me. Now I am ready to release it. I am totally surrender these issues to you. To come within me and wash out all this trauma, incident, memory that carry in my DNA. Feel your DNA is healed. See the structure of the DNA. Your DNA, RNA, your blood cells are healed. And imagine a big scissor coming from the universe and cutting the cord between you and your ancestors. The exchanging trauma. Feel it. Clean cut erase. Clean cut erase. Clean cut erase. Now you are free now. You are financially free. Your DNA is healed. Feel the new version of yourself. Feel that happiness. Now it comes on your inner child. Visualize a small child within you. Face when you are studying, when you are 0 to 10 years old, 0 to 7-year old, you're feeling unsafe about home, about family, about relationship, about money, and gently walk up this version to you. Just imagine a small girl and boy. It is you in your child. It is very scared, insecure, and you are a divine virgin having a beautiful gown, beautiful hairstyle, beautiful jewelry. Your whole body is shining, you are healed and your divine self. Pick up this girl and boy and just say, I know you feel insecure, still I love you and I accept you. And say, I'm sorry you had to go through that. Please forgive me for ignoring your fears. Thank you for surviving, and I love you and I will protect you. Now you are safe, you are protected. I'm always with you. And whisper this child version of you into the glowing red light and tell them, we are safe, we are cared for. Money flows to us. The life is supporting us now. Now imagine your inner child. You are free from all the pains. Now imagine the root growing from your spine and down into the earth with every breath, and they go deeper and deeper. Feel yourself anchored, supported, safe and stable. And feel आपके थ्री फुट ऊपर एक एनर्जी का शेड बना हुआ है and you are feel safe, you are protected. Bring your hand on your lower belly or base or spine on the location of the root chakra. Feel the warmth energy and say thank you, dear root chakra, for keeping me grounded. Thank you, universe, for all the financial evidence I have. Thank you, earth, for always supporting me. I am safe, I am secure, and I am enough. I release the fear of insecurity from my root chakra. I am here, I am now, I am safe, I am protected, I am grounded. I release the past traumas that have affected my sense of security, makes me feel in danger. I am strong and resilient. My needs are always met. I am rooted like a tree, firmly anchored to the earth. I trust in the evidence of the universe. I am filled with abundance. I am safe and I am protected. I embrace my body. I release any unhealthy attachment to the material possession or external validation. My worth comes from within. I deserve the good things. I am the worthy of having a more and more money. I am the worthy of having best relationship. I am safe, I am supported, I am protected by the universe. My all the basic needs are met. I am grounded and I trust in the flow of life. I am open to the change and grow. I release my ancestors on inheritance fear that no longer serve me. My home, my family, my friends, my loved one are safe and protected. I love myself and accept myself completely, including all my fears and insecurity. I am whole, balanced, and I am rooted in my deepest truth. Now, take a deep breath in and imagine your root chakra is balanced. The new glowing energy from your root chakra feels so light, confident, powerful. You are a new version of yourself in the highest state. And now imagine what you want in your health, in your career, in your relationship, and in the money. Take a deep breath in, and when you hold, just imagine, hold the breath and imagine what you want and feel that feeling. If you feel, you will get 101%. If you bring any doubt, doubt creates more doubt. Worry creates worry. Abundance creates abundance. So send a frequency. If doubt comes, just say thank you so much, dear doubt, for showing up and release them. Okay? Now take a deep breath in and hold and imagine. Thank you, Divine, for this beautiful health, beautiful body, the mind, my soul. I love my life loves me. I love my body loves me. Now, focus on your relationship. किसके भी साथ आपको रिलेशन इम्प्रूव करना है, just focus on it and imagine what you want. Again, take a deep breath in and hold it. And when you hold, just imagine what you want, what you add the values in your relationship.